Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let us begin the session now. Once the About Us slide is created, we need the team slide as well. So to prepare team slide, I'll be just using couple of dummy photographs from here. I'll just type out face here in the pixabay.com. I'll pick some images. Let me try that again. Face. Yeah. So I'll just pick this image. I'll download it. I'll copy the attribution. I'll just add it here that team slide image 1. Same way I will have couple of another image as well for so I'm uh, prior only I'm just filling it up here. I'll just paste the other image. I select the attributions from there. Once this is done, let me pick this image. I copy the attribution information. I paste it here. I just make it image 2 here. Once this is done, I come back to the team slide. I pick both of these images. I'll just resize the other image to the size of the previous one. Yeah. Let me try to make this images a little bit square sort of thing by cropping certain things out. Okay. You can see that the Google slide itself suggests you that the both the images are of same side. Below you can see a thin blue line suggesting that both the images are at least the breadth-wise are same. That is how you basically crop. Now we have both the images of same size. Say I want to crop this particular image again to a circular format. I just go to the crop option here. I go to the shapes. I select the oval shape and it gets cropped in a circular format. Same way I can crop this image as well. Let me actually reduce these images a little bit more. Again, you get the sizing bar indicating both are of same size. Once this is done, probably let me move this image to here and let's move it here. So I want to write the designation of this person. Let me write it as CEO. Let me change the fonts, make it a little bit bolder. All this. Once this is done, let me add some more text as well. Just about the name. Let's say Jane Austen here. Here. And say I want to add more lines about this person, what she does in the company, handles XYZ operations and tech team. report to her, something like that. Let me reduce the font size of this. Okay, once this is done, let me just move it a little bit higher. Let me actually give a background to this text that we have added. Let me just make it this color. Cool. This looks good to me. So now I will group all these three text items. I go to arrange, I go to group, I have grouped them, I select them again, and I press Ctrl D. This will make a duplicate of the text that was already there. I bring it and align it here, both vertically and horizontally. You can see the red lines. These lines will help you align. So once the image is aligned, I probably want to move this image a little bit towards the right. Cool. Now I will ungroup the text item so that it is easier for me to fill this information against this particular person. Let us say it is the CBO. Let's just call him Matt something. Again, you can write a similar text to him as well. This him. Let's make this over here. Yeah. So these things are pretty much aligned. Now what I can do is I group all the text and the image together for this particular thing. Same way I group this one as well. Once I group them, say I want to make I have two more female members of the team whom I want to add to the slide. I just select this particular amalgamation of text plus the image or the combination of it. I make two copies of that. I place one in the extreme right. I pick the other one as well. I place it like this. So now I'll tell you how do you align these things without taking much stress. Like earlier we had to individually align all the things here, na. So what I'll do is I'll select all these images, text, whatever is there. Since these individual things are grouped, they will be one item or one thing. That is what the slides is thinking now. It will consider it as a one thing. So this is like a single image to slide now. So I just select all these four images now. I go to arrange, I go to align, I go to top. So now it is aligned from the top. Now I want to make sure the distance between them is equal. I go to again arrange, I go to distribute, I go to horizontal. So they are horizontally distributed. And say I want to move the whole thing to the center. I have selected it and I just move it. You can see the red line appear. Once this is done, say if I want to replace an image or change image or something like that, what I can do is I can select this particular image. I can go to arrange. I can ungroup it. Once I have ungrouped that, say this is the image I want to replace. I go to here. I go down. I have the replace image option. Say for example, I am replacing this image with another image here. So it automatically gets updated. So say you have a different teams or you're working with different people, you can just change the image like this and change the text whatever it is there like that easily, and that will be quick compared to say making the whole thing again. So this is the team slide. Thank you. Do like and subscribe to keep yourself appraised about upcoming videos from my end. See you in the next one.